Dear student, in previous section, you have learned how to solve linear inequalities in one or two variables graphically. We will now illustrate the method for solving a system of linear inequalities in two variables graphically through some example. Let us take first example. Here the question is solve the 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40, x greater than equal to 2, y greater than equal to 3 graphically in two-dimensional plane. So first draw the graph of the line 5x plus 4y equal to 40. For it, take x is equal to 0. So equation becomes 4y equal to 40, means y is equal to 10. Now put in place of y equal to 0. So equation becomes 5x is equal to 40 or x is equal to 8. Now draw the point. So first is 0, 10 and the second one is 8, 0. Join this 2 point with the help of the line. So this is our required line. Now for the reason 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40, we put a general point, let 0, 0 on the given inequality. So the inequality becomes 5 times of 0 means 0, 4 times of 0 means 0, means 0 is less than or equal to 40, which is true. It means of that the inequality covered downward region of the line of 5x plus 4y is equal to 40, like S, and the 0, 0 is also satisfied this region. Now we draw the line x is equal to 2. For it, a line which is passes through the point 2, 0. Such as. Now for the reason x greater than equal to 2, we put here in place of x is equal to 0, so 0 greater than equal to 2, it is not true. Means of that a region which is not included 0, 0, it means that right half plane. Such as. Now we draw the line of the graph y equal to 3, a line which passes through the point 3, 0, 3, such as a line which passes to 0, 3 and parallel to the x-axis. Now for the reason of y greater than equal to 3, again we put here 0, 0, so 0 is greater than equal to 3. No, 0 is not greater than equal to 3. Hence the region is upper half plane. So the common reason of this all inequality is the solution of the system of linear inequality in two variable. It is the intersection point of this and this, and the solution region is in the shape of a triangle ABC. Now the next question is solve the x plus y greater than equal to 0, x minus y less than or equal to 0 graphically in two-dimension plane. So first we draw the line of x plus y equal to 5. If you put x is equal to 0, then y becomes 5, and if you put y is equal to 0, then x becomes 5. So we draw first 2 points 0, 5 and 5, 0. So this is the point 0, 5 and 5, 0. Now we draw a line which passes through the point 0, 5 and 5, 0. Now for the reason x plus y greater than equal to 5, we select a general point, let 0, 0. In place of 0, 0, you also, if you want to put 1, 0, then you put here and find out the select region. But in the general way, we simply put here 0, 0. Now put 0, 0, the x becomes 0, y becomes 0, 0 plus 0, it becomes 0 greater than equal to 5, which is false. It means of that the upper region of the line of x plus y equal to 5, which is not included 0, like s, which is not included 0. Now for the inequality x minus y less than or equal to 3, first we draw the line x minus y is equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 0, then y becomes minus 3. If you put y equal to 0, then x becomes 3. So first we draw the point 0, minus 3 and 3, 0. So this is the point is 3, 0 and 0, minus 3. Now we draw a line which passing through the point 0, minus 3 and 3, 0. And for the solution region, we put 0, 0 on the line x minus y is equal to 3. So it becomes 0 minus of 0 less than or equal to 3, which is true. Hence the solution region is upward lie on the line x minus y is equal to 3. And the common solution region is the solution of the system of linear inequality x plus y greater than equal to 5 and x minus y less than or equal to 3. Now the next question is solve the x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, 2x plus y less than or equal to 8, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0 graphically in two-dimension plane. So first we draw the line x plus 2y less than is equal to 8. If you put x is equal to 0, then equation becomes 2y equal to 8 means 0, 4. And if you put y equal to 0, then x is 8. Now draw the line x plus 2y equal to 8. So this is the point 0, 4 and 8, 0. Now draw a line which passes through the point 0, 4 and 8, 0. And for the solution region of x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, we put 0, 0 on in place of xy. So it becomes 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 8, which is true. Okay. So for the solution region is lower half plane. Now for the inequality 2x plus y less than or equal to 8, so first we draw the line 2x plus y equal to 8. If you put in place of x is equal to 0, y becomes 8. If you put y equal to 0, then x becomes 4. Now draw the line 2x plus y is equal to 8. So this is the 2.08 and 40. Now draw a line which passes through the point 08 and 40. And for the solution region 2x plus y less than or equal to 8, put in place of x and y 0, 0. So it becomes 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 8, means of that which is true. So the solution region of the inequality 2x plus y less than or equal to 8 is lower part of the line of 2x plus y is equal to 8. So the common region is like that. Now last is draw the region of x is greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. X greater than equal to 0 means this all portion, this all plane x greater than equal to 0. The yellow color shaded portion is so the x greater than equal to 0. This all plane. Now for the y greater than equal to 0 means of that this upper half plane is y greater than equal to 0 from the x-axis. So this plane is upper half plane of x-axis is y greater than equal to 0. Now the common region of this all inequality is the quadrilateral, this one. It means A, O, C, B, or O, A, B, C. This is our solution of the system of the linear inequality. It means of that all point which is lies on the lesion is satisfied this all inequality.